Kudos! Secret revealed. Elon Musk's automobile company Tesla started using Toyota production system. Elon Musk, no doubt, has taken Tesla to the new venture. But as said, old is gold. So this holds true in the case of competition between Toyota and Tesla. Before moving on to the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification for more upcoming videos. Toyota, a 1933 established company, leads Tesla in terms of its operational and production system. We have already discussed about the competition between these two companies in our previous video. If you didn't watch the video, don't worry, press the link given on the I button and you will be directed to the video. Wondering how Toyota did it? What was so special in Toyota's production system that it was able to beat Tesla's production system in this transformational world? So dear leaders, here are some points that will answer your questions. Lean management. The Toyota production system focuses on reducing waste and delivering only the value that customers are prepared to pay for. There are numerous tools, practices, and strategies lead to lean transformation and thus help them grow better. Continuous improvement. The Toyota production system uses continuous improvement to empower businesses by creating a culture that entrusts employees with key responsibilities at each production stage. Priority to customer satisfaction. TPS succeeds because it puts the customer first. The company's zero defect policy and continuous effort to reduce costs enable the company to deliver quality at a price customers can afford. TPS increases customer satisfaction by offering defect-free products. TPS is successful because it prioritizes the client. Cost and waste reduction. TPS and its approach to reduce are the wellsprings of competitive strength and unique advantages for Toyota. Toyota's capacity to decrease waste throughout the manufacturing process is directly tied to the high quality and cost-competitive products it creates. All the above points made Toyota win the competition. So dear leaders, Tesla has strived to contribute to a more prosperous society through automobiles, especially their electric cars. And now, Tesla in its 14th year as a car company. We hope after adopting the Toyota's production system, Tesla will transfer itself and flourish in the growing transformational world. So tell us in the comment section your views. And if you want to learn more about lean and operational transformation, join our channel and subscribe to the playlist. Do share the video and help us create more transformational leaders. Thank you for watching.